Hey everyone, if you just bought the new Samsung Galaxy S26 or the S26 Ultra, you might be wondering, can I insert a microSD card to expand the storage? Now in this quick video, I will show you the answer and what storage options you actually have. So does the Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra support the SD cards? The quick answer is no. The Galaxy S26 series does not support the SD card at all, meaning there's no SD card slot on the phone. That means you cannot expand storage using the memory card like older Samsung phones. If you open up the SIM tray, here I will open up the SIM tray, you can see that there is only enough space for a SIM card and nothing underneath. There's no space for an SD card. So you can see there is only enough space for a nano SIM slot. There is an optional eSIM support, and there is no space for a micro SD card. What storage options do you get instead? So instead of expandable storage, Samsung gives you several built-in storage options. For example, with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it comes with 256 GB, 512 GB, or you can get up to 1 TB of storage options. So when buying the phone, it's important to choose the storage size that fits your needs. Once you have purchased the device, then you can no longer expand the storage space. So why does Samsung decide to remove the microSD card? Mainly because the internal storage is much faster. The phones can be thinner on the size, and most users relied on cloud storage now, so Samsung opted to remove them. But many users still miss the expandable storage, especially if you record 4K or 8K videos. You can then just simply remove the SD card and then transfer it to a computer or another device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.